Hey everybody, now I was shooting a product review or fishing video today. I told you I was going to start doing recipes, and here's my recipe for fried squash, Shane. Holler out to him and tell him if it's good or not.
It's good, Mom.
Alright, I got, first things first, you got to get your squash. Right? There's your squash. I'm at my cousin Shane's house. I had bills fixed soon. There's your squash. You wash it off, of course. And then you go over there to the refrigerator and you get you a few eggs. I'll show you. Shane, I hope y'all got eggs. Alright. And you shake them. Shake them off like you shake your thing after you get through pee-pee. Get in the refrigerator. You grab you a few eggs. Y'all following me? Alright, you grab you a few eggs in a bowl. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. I'm gonna set it up over here. Probably just gonna be able to hear me talk for right now. Get you a few eggs, crack them. Two eggs should do. You can either get Larry's seasoned salt, or you can get McCormick seasonal. Get that. Get you a whisk. Whisk it together real good. Shane, when you get in here, you need to hurry up. Alright, now you need to get you a bowl of flour, which we already got right here. First things first, you gotta get you a cutting board and a fairly good cutting knife, which my aunt really ain't got. Where's it cut? Never mind. And make sure you cut your squash thin.
Hello, everybody.
Can you see yourself in the camera? He's over there. Wish Aunt Jane would have got rid of them knives she wore. Them jokers are good. Alright, you cut them about wheat thin. About like that. Alright. Grease really ain't hot enough yet. So what you do, you take it, you dip your squash in the egg, in the season, and then you dip it in the flour. Didn't know that, did you? That's what you do, and you stick it in the fryer. But that's how you do it. I'm gonna splice a video together and show you the finished product while I get these ready. Y'all stay tuned. And this is the finished product. Good squash. How we do it in Dixie, baby. How we do it.